All right. Welcome to one more session of AWC. This is Yavani ma'am back again with one more session of your grade 10th. To all the grade 10 students, welcome. Nothing to worry, date sheet is released, no tension at all. Okay, can you see this image, students? Isn't it beautiful? Yes, this is an AI generated image. What is AI? It is an artificial intelligence, right? AI, artificial intelligence, AI generated image. I just told, give me a crowd of animals, give me a crowd of leeches, give me a crowd of, different microorganisms, everything. Give me a complete crowd. I said, microorganisms are here. See, everything I asked. So immediately it took two few seconds and it has generated. Yes, using this artificial intelligence particular image, I'm going to teach you today. What is that? Yes, you heard it right. What is heterotrophic nutrition and its types? Very important concept because you'll be getting a question from this. Shall we start? How is the picture? Mention this in the comment section. I'm waiting. Such a cute picture. Look at the leeches, look at the hippopotamus, look at the jackal, everything. Oh my god, look at this. The way puppy is looking at me, scary. Great. Let's start with the video. Concentrate. Watch till the end. I'm going to tell you something important at the end. Let's start. So, first of all, as you have seen, what is heterotrophic nutrition? As the name suggests, you see there are leeches here, there are animals here, there are microorganisms. You're finding different creatures here, correct? No, other than green plants, you're finding all the different creatures. So, hetero means what? Hetero. Homo means one, hetero means different. Okay, so nothing. Heterotrophic nutrition is nothing but one organism. This depends on this depends on this depends on this. Simple. So heterotrophic nutrition is something, a particular process in which an organism, it depends or gets its food from one more organism. Okay, an organism, it gets its food from one more organism, just like your ecosystem. Yes, so all one of the other are dependent upon each other. So heterotrophic nutrition definition is an organism gets its food from one more organism. Shall I write from one more organism? It's called heterotrophic nutrition. One such easy one. Yes, all are interdependent on each other. Everything in this ecosystem is interdependent. This is also AI generated image only, students. Beautiful, na? All right. Now, in this heterotrophic nutrition, and one more thing is most important, this heterotrophic nutrition, they cannot synthesize and can prepare their food by themselves. So it has to depend upon some other organism to get. We are going to study in detail about heterotrophic nutrition, simple like this. Types. So first of all, I know the definition. Now heterotrophic nutrition are of three types: saprotrophic, parasitic, holozoic. We are going to study in detail about this. So saprophytic, cute little fungi, yeast, mushrooms are there. Parasitic, you have this. Holozoic, you have the engulfing, eating of food. Now let's start with the first one. Careful. Definition is already given. I'll explain in detail about this now. Watch till the end. The video is important. What is the first thing? Saprophytic nutrition. Sapro. See, these are the examples. What is this first example? This is a bread mold full of fungus. So, fungi is one saprotrophic nutrition example. Next, bacteria is one. Then, microorganisms are one more. Then, fungi are one more. First, we will write the definition as I've written here. We'll write the definition and then start understanding the concept. In saprophytic nutrition is nothing. Saprophytic nutrition is an external nutrition. Means what? External digestion, external nutrition. I have to tell you. External nutrition means, ma'am, what is this external nutrition? I'll tell you first definition, then we will start. So, nothing. The definition is digestion of food before ingestion. Means what? What does it happen? Here, the concept is digestion of food before ingestion. Means before eating it outside only the food gets digested. Means external nutrition, I should not say, external digestion is better option. External digestion is a better option for you all. So what is definition, students? Saprophytic nutrition is digestion of food before ingestion. This is called saprophytic nutrition. Ma'am, how I can answer this before I go to holozoic? Shall we write the process for you to remember? Yes, I'll write. Let me tell the process. The process, what happens, suppose there is food here, okay? This is your bread mold. So this saprophytic nutrition, just like bacteria, your fungi, your microorganisms, what do they do? All these are going to secrete or release, or dead plants rather, dead plants, dead animals, your food, dead decay plants. So what will they do? These bacteria, fungi, microorganisms, they are going to secrete digestive enzymes on this. So they will secrete digestive enzymes. They pour the digestive enzymes on this food. So when they pour the digestive enzymes on all this food, what happens to this food? Tell me. Gradually, after 1 or 2 days, as you have seen all this, see, it has become stale, right? So this once this bacteria, fungi, microorganisms, when they secrete the digestive juices, the food automatically after some time it starts decaying or it starts decomposing. Correct? Na? Decomposing. When it starts decomposing, it automatically converts into smaller bits pieces, right? So the decay or the spoiled food, when it converts into your simpler substances, then your fungi will eat that simpler substance. Once again, let us put in a box and understand final thing. First of all, secrete, what do they do? They secrete digestive enzymes. Easy. On what they'll do digestive enzymes? On the food. Food will get converted to which one? Simpler substances. After it gets converted to simpler substances, what will happen to that? Then they will ingest. They will eat it. That's all. That's all. That is saprophytic digestion. Indirectly, first digestion, then ingestion. First they will eat it, and first they will drop it, and then they will eat it. Eating is the last final thing after everything is over. Easy? Okay. Now let's start with holozoic nutrition. Oh wow, this is a beautiful image. What are you observing? Holozoic engulfing. So holozoic first example is what? This is your human being. Okay. Humans show holozoic. Examples are important, right? Examples. Then you're seeing animals. Okay. Animals, holozoic. Then you're seeing amoeba. Amoeba, holozoic. Then you're seeing what? Insectivorous plants, carnivorous plants. Insectivorous plants or the carnivorous plants. These are all examples of holozoic. Now you're able to see, first they are directly eating the food. They're eating the food. This is eating the food. This is eating the food. Now you tell me the definition, students. Holozoic food, or definition, if I have to tell you, this is internal digestion. Internal, that is external digestion. This is internal digestion. Okay, ma'am, how can I write the definition? Nothing. In holozoic nutrition, you have to say digestion starts after consuming food, or the process of digestion after consuming of food. The process of digestion starts after consuming of food. Yes, inside it happens. So basically it happens where? This happens inside the body. Inside the body. Earlier what happened? Digestion happened outside, then they started eating. Now after eating, digestion starts. Easy? Easy, students? Easy. Now steps, you have to write this. So basically there are five steps in holozoic nutrition. Step number one, let me write stepwise. First step is called ingestion. They should eat, right? Ingestion. Okay, I gave a gap, don't think there's a gap, students. This comes closer. Ingestion. Ingestion means what? Step number one, ingestion is nothing but taking of food or eating of food. You eat your food, right? Yes, your mom prepares your food, your father also prepares your food, and you eat, take that. Step number two, step number two, digestion. Digestion. Once you eat, what happens? You walk, you jump, you exercise. So in digestion, what will happen? Breaking down of food. Breaking down of food. So it starts breaking down, breaks up into smaller pieces. Correct? Yes. So into smaller pieces, your body starts digesting. You churn the food also. Smaller pieces it digest. Next comes your step number three. Digestion is over, digestion is over. Next is absorption. You said it right, absorption. Once your body starts, it has to absorb, no, for you to grow, repair your cells. Yes, absorption, absorbing, absorb, absorption of food. Okay, absorption of digested food. Digested food. Okay, digested food. This is also done. Now, after absorption, you tell me what will happen. Yes, what you said is right. Step number 4, assimilation. Assimilation. Okay, assimilation. Assimilation means what? Basically, your assimilation is utilization of the food. Whatever food you're absorbed, that has to be utilized. Assimilation means utilization. Z. Okay, utilization of what? Of the food. Whatever digested food is here, no? That food you're utilizing. For what you're utilizing? You're utilizing this food for growth. You're utilizing this food for repair also. Growth and repair. Last but not the least, step number 5. Step number 5. Yes, most important, egestion. Egestion means excretion, which also should happen. No? Otherwise, all the waste materials will get accumulated in the body. So, removing of undigested food. Okay, and undigested food from body. This is over. Everything, all the steps are over. So now, with all these steps, we are going to study one example, holozoic nutrition. Shall we once summarize the steps, students? Shall we once summarize? Yes, let me summarize. First step, you tell me ingestion. Perfect. What is the second step? Second step, digestion. What is the third step? Third step, absorption. Correct. What is the fourth step? Assimilation. Did I write assimilation here? Absorption? Yes, I wrote assimilation. Assimilation. Fifth step, digestion. Digestion. Correct? Digestion. That's it? Yes? Perfect. Now, let us take this and apply it to amoeba. They may ask you, explain the holozoic nutrition in amoeba. So basically, in holozoic nutrition amoeba, all the 5 steps, whatever are there, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and digestion, everything is going to happen. First of all, case number 1, parasitic is the last one. Wait till the end, students. Yes. In amoeba, step number 1, first of all, amoeba, what is the speciality? They are unicellular in nature, only single cell. Now, around amoeba, you have something called cell membrane, correct? Na? The cell membrane is there, right? So, what does it do? Membrane. What does it do? Cell membrane. Okay. Now, once the food comes closer to the amoeba, the pseudopodia, whatever are there, the layers of the cell membrane protrudes out. Just see here, protrudes out. It starts engulfing the food. So, the engulfed or the protruded cell membrane is called pseudopodia. After that, slowly the cell membrane surrounds the particular food, and this is called food vacuole. Food vacuole. Okay, food vacuole. Once the food vacuole is ingested inside, what will happen? This food vacuole is filled with 2 things. One is water and one is food. Absorption. Gradually, all the digestive enzymes are acting on this, and the food vacuole, gradually, what happens after digestive enzymes, it absorbs, and whatever waste materials are there, it starts giving out. So the digested food, whatever are there, this is your digest, everything is over, whatever is required for the food, it absorbs, the amoeba absorbs, and the left out waste materials, whatever are there, it goes towards your border or the ends, and it gets ejected out. This process is ejection or excretion of the food. So whatever extra food or the waste particles are there, again the layer closes, and the waste material, undigested food, whatever is there, no, that undigested food expels out. Expels out means it goes out, expels out. Now, food forming pseudopodia, forming a food vacuole. Inside the food vacuole, you have water and food. Then the digested food is absorbed, and gradually it is distributed. Assimilated means it is distributed to all the different parts, because wherever for growth of the particular amoeba, and whatever waste materials are there, it is ejected out or expelled out. Perfect. This is holozoic nutrition in amoeba. Okay, you're going to write stepwise, step 1, step 2, like that. Perfect, students. Now the last type of nutrition is nothing but parasitic nutrition. Okay, these are the examples. What are these? Leeches. Ticks means your, right? Okay, ticks. You see the image, you will understand. Lice means, yeah, lice which are there in your hair. Cascata, the insectivorous plants. Yes. Now, what happens in parasitic nutrition? If you see definition, nothing, students. It is one organism. One organism. It lives on or sorry on or in on or in the bodies of another organism. Bodies of another organism, so it will stay inside the body or it will stay outside the body and absorb. So for what it is living, for what it is there, for nutrients, for whatever food they require, they suck the blood. Leeches suck the blood. That's a food for them, correct? So they live on the one organism lives on the bodies. It is not dead body, it is the living body, rather the living body of another organisms for nutrients. In certain things where they need like the fresh nutrients and everything, they suck and obtain that. Okay, so the fresh body whatever they depend on that and they get their food. That's done, students. That's done. That's parasitic. Yes. So now let us once summarize what we studied. Today in our video, we have done one important thing. We've studied the definition of heterotrophic nutrition. Correct? Huh? This heterotrophic nutrition definition. Then I've also studied a concept called types of heterotrophic nutrition. How many types of heterotrophic nutrition are there? Done. We have saprophytic, yes, we have holozoic, right? Then we have parasitic, correct na? Then what did we learn? We have learned the steps in heterotrophic nutrition. Steps in heterotrophic nutrition, right now, students? After that, I have taught you in detail about saprophytic, holozoic, and parasitic stepwise. Perfect. Yes, that's great. Thank you so much for watching the video, students. This is your Vani ma'am. I promise to cover your chemistry syllabus, physics syllabus, and biology syllabus. Nothing to worry. Now in the next video, I'll be getting the MCQs also for you all. Watch the video, and most important thing is join the Telegram channel. If you join the Telegram channel link is given below. If you join, I'll be sending you the notes also there. Yes, join me again. Thank you. Can I request you all to like the video? Yes. Can I request you all to share the video? And I request you to please comment. That gives me energy to do more. Bye bye. Thank you so much.